Quantum Train by Oren. I drive this train to anywhere and anywhen there can be, through jungles and deserts and outer space and sometimes under the sea. Bing, bong, bing. Now arriving in the Pacific. Please hold your breath. Bing, bong, bing. Oops, we lost one. But the way we do it is quite complicated. To explain how to now proceed, we go through wormholes about the size of a billion, trillion, trillionth of a seed. And of course, since we've invented shrink rays, we can shrink down to a place called the quantum realm. Excuse me, can this train take me to see Adele? Maybe, give or take in a few minutes, or months, or years. That reminds me, it's our 1000th anniversary. Everybody, give 3 cheers! Hip, hip, hooray! In my time, we've also created anti-aging serum, so I'll be able to drive this train forever, and I'll never see my family again. Oh.